Hello, I'm the Purple Mage, and welcome to Home Fire Alarm System Test 1. Let's get started. Here is my panel. It is a Mercom FA1025T. Very nice panel. 5 zones, 2 knacks. They're pretty rare panels. The only downside I think they are is that they're pretty hard to find, and in order to silence them you need to disable the zone. And it puts out FWR. So yeah, those are pretty much the only downsides. For the first device, on Zone 3, we have a Simplex 4251-20 T-bar with a replacement lock. On Zone 1, we have a Notifier NBG12LX with the addressable module not hooked up. On NAC 1, we have an EST Genesis in white horn strobe. And another EST Genesis in white, but this one's strobe only. These two are in sync, by the way. The panel has 3 troubles because no end-of-line resistors on zones 1 through 3, no batteries, and no end-of-line resistors on either of the NACs. I'm missing the dress panel for that panel, by the way, so there's no dress panel. But normally it tells you what the LED lights do. Up here, going to my room, we have an EST278B pull station, my model train setup, which is a mess, and a Wheelock MT horn strobe on code 3 tone. Now, code 3 tone doesn't really sound that good on FWR, but it sounds decent. The Wheelock MT and the Genesis are not in sync, but these two Genesises are. The strobes are, at least. Okay, let's get started with the test. I'll start with the T-bar. There is no verification on this panel, by the way, so it activates instantly. You can see the strobes are in sync. Fixed 1575 candela, and the 2 downstairs are 15 candela. Now, normally I don't bother just silencing the zones, because then you have to unsilence them because these are switches, not buttons. So yeah, that's one of the major downsides of this panel, as well, that I forgot to mention, is that it doesn't have verification, and I'll demonstrate that at the end of the system test. Let's move on to this pull station as soon as I find my notifier key. There it is. Alright. I've already seen the MT, so let's just reset. By the way, I have tape on the buzzer because it's really loud and annoying. Now let's test the final pull station, and then we'll key activate the 2 pull stations downstairs. Actually, we'll key activate all of them. MT, and you'll see right away that the MT activates right away, but the Genesis is sort of a delay. So, see it activated right away. See, zone 2 is activated. Oops. Wrong switch. There we go. Okay. Now I'll demonstrate the silencing option and we can re-alarm. But first, let's key activate the 4251. Okay. Now let's re-alarm. Oh, wait, key activated. Okay. It's hard to search for keys with one hand. There it is. Okay. And I'll demonstrate the lack of verification by just flipping the switch down and then up right away. There we go. See? No verification. See? 2 alarms. Okay, now let's key activate the final pull station. Then we will conclude this system test. Extremely loud. All 3 zones are in alarm. Come on. Where's the key? There it is. Okay. And we'll reset. And acknowledge. Alright. That concludes Home Fire Alarm System Test number 1. I'm the Purple Mage. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.